Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking the time to stop by the channel. This morning, we're going to talk about my top stocks. We're going to look at some early indicators. I'm on CNBC.com, and you can see the Dow futures is up, the S&P futures up, the NASDAQ futures is up, but more importantly, the US 10 Treasury note is down. That's a good indicator for NASDAQ growth stocks. That's the 10-year Treasury note with that pointing in down direction. That helps other investors make decisions to buy more growth, So yesterday, this bad boy was green. So let's go into my top stocks this morning. Coinbase is up slightly, 0.31%. And Upstart, let's see, Upstart. The AI lending platform was up as well. It is back up after being down yesterday. As you can see, yesterday it was down 3.5%. And today, this morning, it is back up 2.27%. So those are my top stocks. RobinHood, I couldn't really find a lot. See, charge point. CHPT. Charge point this morning. Okay, so this is Bing. Bing doesn't give a good charge point. Okay, charge point is up slightly this morning, again 1.1%. And again, I was talking about charge point because it was one of the few yesterdays that sparked upwards. Last week they had a good earnings call. And it looks like the information is good. It's continued. There's more volume floating in. So when I say volume, I mean more people are buying the stock and more volumes floating in. The stock is going up. Beginning of the week, the stock started at $20 and now it's up to as high as $21. So we'll see. Charge point will continue. Again, this is big this week. Ford making an announcement of 11,000 jobs for EV, working with S&K. And then we know that the charge point is part of the EV infrastructure, the charging stations. So this says ChargePoint is an American electric vehicle infrastructure company based out of Campbell, California. ChargePoint operates the largest online network of independently owned EV stations, operating in 14 countries. So this may be a gold mine. There is another charging company called Blink, but they roughly trade about, I think $35 per share. So let's take a look. But I just think it's important to get ahead of the season. Again, charging, electrification of the cars is coming. It may not be today, may not be next week, but it'll be in about 3 years where 10-15% of the car market will be charged using cars, electrification of cars. So those are our top stocks there. Charge point this morning, Upstart. And let's take a look at my other account. Ticker symbol FCEL, fuel cell, is up 2.2% this morning. This is alternative energy. Upstart Holdings is up this morning, 1.79%, as we talked about. Genius Brands, I don't know. I just keep this stock. It is up 1.42%. As you can see, I've lost a lot of money on that one. The fintech Square's up. Square is up this morning, 1.38%, and Palantir is up this morning, 1.26. So quite a bit of stocks back up just a little bit. Many were down 2 to 3% yesterday. So the market like blew off some steam yesterday with concerns of the Treasury note going up. Today, the Treasury note ticked down, so futures look good. Like I said, you can always check out CNBC, and they have this running 24/7, the futures. So it's a great way to get an indication of which way the stocks are going for the day. In most cases, if the Treasury note is pointing up, going to cause a lot of turmoil, volatility in the stocks market. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and leave your comments below.